Welcome aboard the SeaWorld SkyTower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times.
Aquela é a icebreaker que não tá funcionando.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld SkyTower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please.
Eu te falei que ia ficar cheia de acordo com o tempo passasse.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
And that's the birds. And then there used to be, 25 years ago, a big water area, and the pinnipeds. They had all the seals. Do they still have that? The seals and the sea lions, and you could walk up to the wall. What is that? The orcas, huh?
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles.
The seals.
As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
That's how we get to the seals. Sound like a big
Yeah.
Those are the seals.
But how? Because there was a close. We walked there. If you go straight, it's closed. Remember the theater? We shop in 2 and 4.
Aquilo ali, ó.
We walked 3 times there. And no wait to see.
Can you explain the entry for the penguins to us?
When you yeah, so instead of going to like the roller coaster, just go to that side that's right next to it, and that's the entrance to the penguin exhibit. So it's like you still have to go like to the entrance. That'll take you to like the
Okay, so you enter and you have your choice of the ride or the penguin exhibit. They don't have good signage.
We're going like in roller coaster, right? Same enter with roller coaster.
It seems to have become a ride park.
We are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet.
So all of this property, as far as I can see, is SeaWorld. Like there's 3 rooftops. It's a hotel. Oh, and a highway. So this side of the highway, all SeaWorld.
over there, that's all
Theater, it's volken.
To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by the guest information counter located near the park's front entrance.
25 years ago. And they did have an issue that it was in
That's cool. We can see
We
the.
hope that you have enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld SkyTower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining us and have a great day here at SeaWorld.
That's cool. We can see the new Sea Quest ride.
That was fun.